Hi, today I'm going to take a challenge to do a pistol squats. Let's go! I soon realized that I need to do some serious research. So, I did some serious research and come up with a routine that unlocks my full potential to do a pistol squats. But this was a hard and boring routine. I want to make this challenge more interesting and enjoyable, like playing a real world game with multiple levels. When I complete one level, the next one unlocks automatically. By the time I finish last level, I will be able to do a pistol squats with an ease. But I don't want to be stuck in a boring routine. Enough talk, let's start the challenge. But wait, let me tell you a little bit more about this challenge. The overall challenge is divided into 3 levels. After completing the third level, anyone can do one leg squat like it's nothing. So let's start. Level 0 is easy peasy lemon squeezy. All I need to do is a regular squat. Done. Let's go. Level 1 involves performing a full range squat, going ATG and holding it for 5 seconds. Keep your legs close together and make sure they stay straight. Considering that this stage is completed, I am moving on to the next one. Yes, we have reached to the level 2. One more level left and I will be able to do a pistol squat. This level is challenging for me because I never tried it, the front stagger squat. This level forces your core and stabilizer muscle to work overtime to keep you steady. And to be honest, progress can feel slow with this exercise. I have put a lot of efforts into this exercise, but some exercise required patience and persistence to get it right. As the saying goes, our greatest glory is not in never falling, but rising every time we fall. After pushing myself on day 1, I took a necessary 2-day rest because my legs were in intense pain. My quads and hamstring felt tight. Even simple movements like standing or walking felt challenging to me. So, on day 4, I started with some important stretches, focusing especially on my leg muscles, the quadricep, hamstring, calves, and glutes. Stretching this muscle helped me prepare to my next attempt, and then I continue with my front stagger squats, which I was determined to complete. It wasn't easy, and there were moments when my legs felt shaky and tired. Each rep felt like a battle between my mind and my body, but I kept pushing through the discomfort. I focus on maintaining my form and keep reminding myself why I started. After several attempts, I come up with a solution to hold on to something sturdy like a door or a wall, which would keep me fixed in a place while performing my front stagger squats. With that support, I started again and I got closer to perfect it. And I almost got it right.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So, I have successfully completed level 2, the front stagger squats. Now it's time to move on to level 3, full body balance. In this level, you need to stand on one leg while balancing the entire body. It takes a lot of focus, core strength, and patience. But that's exactly what makes level 3 the key to master one leg squat or pistol squats. At this moment, I am focusing on two main things, core engagement and controlling my breath. These are crucial because the stronger and steadier your core is, the more balance you will have overall. Don't be afraid to take breaks and practice this repeatedly. Once you master balancing the body in level 3, you will have the control needed to confidently perform one leg squat. After this stage, anyone can move on to doing full one leg squats.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means.